Hello, my chucking friends. Welcome to Wednesday night chucking with Maria. Making Maria, that is. That's who I am. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys had a great Wednesday. The week is half over. Right? Yep, it is. It's half over. So I hope you guys are good. I'm Making Maria. I'm your Chalk Couture independent designer, and I'm going to show you how to make something super cute. Super cute. Look at this cute little, look at this cute little cauldron. Yeah, that's what we're creating on tonight. Chunky Wood Shape, it's called. It's from my favorite place. They have these. They have little spooky wookie bats. They have pumpkins that have glitter on them. Not a fan of the glitter, so I ignored the glitter. They're cool. They're cool. I like the size of it. It's nice and little. It's got the cute little painting. I mean, we could totally do stuff to it to zhuzh it up, but we are pretty much going to create it the way it is designed to be created on. And I don't know where you guys are. So I'm going to try to find you because you guys are non-existent. Are you guys there? If somebody is there, can you say hi? Oh, there we go. There I am. Whew. Okay, found me. There we go. Okay, my stuff has been being weird. You know, technology is not my thing. Hello, Miss Margie. Welcome, welcome. All right, so we're gonna take this super cute little cauldron. I mean, isn't it adorable? It's really thick. It's super cute and chunky. And we are gonna use the witchy phrases. And I was looking at them. There's a couple of them that fit. Not all of them fit on here because it is kind of teeny, weeny, tiny. It is, totally end to end. It's 5 inches by, we'll say 3 3/4. But in reality, the chalking surface is probably only 3.5 inches by 3. So it's tiny, which is kind of nice. It's kind of cute. You know. So, feeling witchy will fit on it. I don't think that if the shoe isn't going to fit on it. Hocus Pocus Company, I think, would be perfect for it, but it doesn't fit. What's up, witches? Does fit on it without the hat, which okay, it's a cauldron, right? So, what are we doing in our cauldron? We're cooking up some mayhem, right? That's what we're doing in our cauldron. So, Zup Witches would be good, but feeling witchy. So we have 2 really good contenders on what to put on here. So with our witchy phrases come several very fun little things. So it actually comes with a cauldron, a spider web, and a really cool little wand. It comes with broom rides and witches please. It comes with What's Up Witches, Feeling Witchy, Hocus Pocus Company, and If the Shoe Fits. That's all of them, right? Right, that's all of them. So this one transfer called Witchy Phrases comes with all of these fun transfers. We've made them on a couple things. There's a lantern behind me, which you can't see. A fun little lantern that has What's Up Witches. We've done a couple different things with these guys because I like my witchy phrases. Hello, Miss Melissa from Canada. Hello, Mr. Mike. Hello, Sandy. Hello, Jill. Welcome, everybody. All right, so we're going to take this super cute little surface that's from my favorite place. Mine is just starting to put out fall and Halloween. Many of them have fall and Halloween out already and have had it out for a while. Mine is being slow, very slow. It was supposed to go out on the 22nd of August, and it's the 1st of September, and they just started putting stuff out today. Not that I was stalking them at all, because I was. But look at how fun this guy is. I would think, what could we put on him? Boo? Wouldn't he be cute with Boo? Or Eek? Eek. He'd be really cute with Eek. I think there's some really fun things we could do there. We could just put a pattern on him. I love the purple, but I'm a fan of purple. Hello, Miss Diane. Welcome, welcome. But tonight we're going to do our cute little cauldron. And I think what we're going to put on our cute little cauldron is Feeling Witchy. It's going to take us about 2 seconds. One of the things I love about these transfers is they are reusable. So you can get very creative with them year after year. They last. So I still have all of my original transfers. And I have been doing chalk for 3 years now. Yeah, 3 years now. And I use them, I go back to them. Diane found pumpkins at the one in Fond du Lac today. So they do have pumpkins like this. They're a little bit bigger, so these things would fit on them. But what I don't like about them is they dip this in glue and put glitter all over it, and I don't like to get the glitter near my transfers. Is that what you found, Diane? Or did you find the other pumpkins that they have? I mean, they have a lot of pumpkins. But they always have these. They have these super cute ones, too. These are also $3, and they have stencils with them. So, Diane, if you go to the one in Grafton, very disappointing. However, we did recently find the one in Sheboygan Falls. And the one in Sheboygan Falls did not disappoint. So, if you're looking for a good bullseye playground section, Sheboygan Falls is the place to go. Ooh, the 3-dimensional ones. These ones? I mean, seriously, how cute is this, right? Put a little candle in him. I found these guys today. I have a little circuit that I do. And kids went back to school today, so I decided to treat the mama today, right? And spend an hour doing my thing. Because, you know, you still got to do all your mom things, even though they're at school. Ooh, they had those too. 3-dimensional. What pumpkins did you find? They have lots of, they have lots of fun things right now, and more fun things are coming. Like, look, the other thing I found today. How cute this is. I'm going to spray paint this black. It's glass, which is kind of nice. They also have a really cute little candle holder that's taller, and it's a bat. Super cute. But I got ones to put in the container. Ooh, cool. Very cool. The other thing that they have, which I think is really interesting, and you just walk by it because you don't realize what it is, but they're these little kits, and they call these tiered tray starter kits. And there are 5 things in them. There's 3 of them currently out. I have this one. I have this one. And what I like about this one is it has a cute little book stack in it. So there's this one. Look at the cute little truck that's in this one. But these are for your tiered trays. So these are something I would walk by because I wouldn't understand what it is. And then, you know, because I'm in those crazy groups with crazy people like me in them, you find these fun things. All right, I think we're going to use Pumpkin Shimmer because I'm feeling like it should be witchy, right? I mean, it's got the fun little orange on the edges. So I think we should kind of stick with it. Now, it'll also give it a little bit of glitter. Now, we could totally zhuzh this up with a little bit of pumpkin-y or Halloween-y ribbon along the edges. And as many of you know, if you're a regular viewer, I am currently in the process of reorganizing my ribbon. But I mean, you could totally, I would use probably a wider ribbon, but you could totally, like, you know, glue down an edging along the edge if you prefer to have it have something a little more zhuzhed up. I also thought that you could put wires on the back of it sticking up with like little bubbles coming out of your cauldron, similar to the piece of the transfer that has the little bubbles on it. So I think there's some really cute things that you could do to this little guy to take him even up more notches than we're about to by just putting a simple little word on him. He is a chalkboard, so in theory you should be able to wash it off. You know, these little guys I don't really wash off because what else are you going to put on a cauldron? It's not like you're going to use it in the middle of summer, right? Right. So we are going to stick Feelin' Witchy on it. So I take my transfer, I put it upside down, and I'm going to write the name on the back. Feeling Witchy. Witchy. So the other thing I found today was a really cool yarn pumpkin. They only had one though, and it was little. But again, mine just started putting stuff out. I had lots of boxes and I couldn't stay. I was stalking the poor lady. They probably think I'm crazy. I'm like, oh, I walk in. I'm like, oh, there's the cart with all the boxes. Wonder what's in it. Oh, I'll get my groceries, because that's what I go to Target for, is my groceries. I'll get my groceries, which is way in the back, and by the time I walk by, maybe she'll be done. Yeah, she had one more box done. But oh well, I'm digressing. All right, I'm going to take my transfer off its backer sheet. Your backer sheet is an important piece of paper. As you can see, it has a shiny side and a dull side. I write the name on the back so I know which side of it is the back. The dull side is the back. The shiny side is the part that you put your transfer back on when you're all done, because it's reusable. You can use it over and over and over again. So I take it off of its backer sheet. I set this piece of paper aside. I put my transfer on my, oops, it's upside down. Put my transfer on my surface, like so. We're gonna try our fun little pumpkin shimmer, which is a gorgeous orangey shimmer. So the shimmers are not glitter. They're similar to glitter, but they're not as shiny, I don't feel, as glitter. They're not meant to be. But what they are is they're chalk paste that has a super, super, super baby fine glitter in it. So as you squeegee across, it will go through the silk screen. So I'm going to take my squeegee. My squeegee has an angled side and a flat side. The angled side is the front. I take it. I dip it in my chalk paste. I put my chalk paste on here. I take my project. I hold my squeegee straight up and down, and I simply pull it across, like so. I cover up the whole silk screen. I smooth, oops, I forgot that part. I smooth out any lines I may have created by pushing that chalk paste. I take all this excess, I put it right back in my container, and then I just, clean up, take all that excess. You don't need to leave the excess on here, just take it right off, put it right back in. You don't want to waste it, it's good chalk. Okay. And then I hold it by, start it in the corner, but pull it from the middle. You don't want to pull it diagonally. This is the perfect color, actually. Look at how cute that is. I take this, I stick it in my water bath, I rinse it with cool water, then I lay it out sticky side up for it to dry. When it's dry, I put it back on its backer sheet and it's good to go. I can use it again. So, look at how adorable this is, right? Feeling witchy. Now we could totally go crazy with things that we could do to this. Again, we put the ribbon on it. We could embellish it. We could stick some fun bats, on wire coming out of the back of the cauldron. There's just all kinds of fun things you could do to it if you wanted to. I, however, like it just the way it is. And I'm going to leave it alone. So that's what we're doing tonight. Super quick, easy peasy, lemon squeezy little project. Just super fun. Feeling witchy. There's super cute little cauldron. I'm kind of into cauldrons right now. So that's what I got for you tonight. I hope you have a great, this was a fast little project. I hope you have an amazing Thursday, and I will be back at you tomorrow night. So thanks, guys, for hanging out with me. If you want to check out any of these amazing products, you can go right to www.chalkcouture.com/makingmaria. This adorable transfer is called Witchy Phrases, and it has several different combinations of things that you can create with it. So that's what I got. Thanks, guys. Have a great Thursday. See ya.